Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change switch unit system. You can choose between the SI units or the US units. For example, let's tap the club, tap the players. This is for example only. I want to tap the details of the player. This one, you can see 180 centimeters and 81 kilograms. You can choose this unit like 81, or I mean the kilogram will be US version like LBS, and the centimeter will be a feet, not centimeter. You can change this system by go to the main home, tap the setting button, and tap this unit. Switch unit system SI, so by default is SI units. Centimeter and kilogram are now in use. You can tap it and US unit is on. Feet and LB are now in use. Let's try how it changed. Tap the player you want to see. Mukoko for example, tap the details, and this one. It's already changed. 59 feet and 159 lbs. So please choose what you want, what you prefer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. Enjoy the game.